What is going on, car enthusiasts? Today we're going to readjust the convertible top on 2012 BMW E93 due to leaky roof, which has happened to be there at the front passenger side in between of the windshield and the front section of the roof. After inspection I find out that it's been previously adjusted, but with bad mistake. And it's clearly visible from the mounting screws and a gap right at the front of the panel. With that being said, overall process will be easier. The only thing I need to do is mirror the settings from the one side to another. But if you have problem with both sides, you will need to play a little bit more. Note, that also could be the gasket, but if you inspect it and it have no tear and wear, keep watching. Tools we needed: T40 star socket, plastic pry bar and a rivet tool, 10mm socket, and we are ready to go. First we need to set the top to the service position, which is 90-degree angle in between arms that are connecting the front section and the middle. Now we are in convertible top service position. Looking from underneath, we can see two T40 fasteners that hold in the hinges which are connected to the front section. Before undoing them, mark an exact position of the bolts in case we mess it up something. If so, then we can reverse everything back if needed. Also, a brief note, the adjusting bolts cutout usually looks exactly the same on both sides if adjusted properly. In case they look the same but the middle or rear window section of the roof have a bigger gap on one of the sides, you will need to readjust the whole top, which is practically impossible to do it at home. And back to work. After losing two bolts, we're going to shift the top lid forward or backward. In my case, I push the cover toward the front on 1/8 of an inch, as well as double check the position of the screws on the hinges after comparing to the driver's side if they start matching. Now we're moving to the locking mechanism, which is locked into the windshield. We need to readjust them as well because they are in control of the front seal alignment. Note, the hinges and locks has to be readjusted at the same time because driving pin wouldn't make it into the hole on the windshield section. Also need to mention that hinges and locks always move opposite way. For example, if you move hinges 1/8 of an inch to the back of the car, the lock will move to the front of the car, the same distance. To make adjustments for the front actuator, we need to drop the front section of the liner to reach 4 10mm nuts that holding them in place. Before undoing the nut, make sure you mark the position of the assembly in case we mess it up something. Also make sure to check it out the E93 playlist. You're gonna find a lot of repairs and maintenance in terms of the roof, as well as check it out the before and after footage, which is not something major, but that's kind of an idea of minimal adjustments will make a huge difference. My roof does not leak anymore, and we are done for today. Make sure to put the thumbs up button there, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next one, guys.